Ngwatanĩro itiganĩte cia arigitani nĩ iheanĩte mũkana wa thikũ 7 gũcokereria mĩrũrũngano akorwo maabitha a UHC arĩa matuire mĩrũrũngano-inĩ nĩguo mandĩkwo ta aruti a wĩra a mweri matigũkorwo mandĩkĩtwo. Maabitha ya arigitani maugĩte atĩ ona thengia wa mbunge kũhĩtũkia mũbango wa kũrekereria kĩgĩna gĩa kũmandĩka, kĩranĩro gĩkĩ gĩtirĩ kĩahingio.
And so we are here to demand that now that we have the budgetary allocation that they used to say that they didn't have, our expectation is that by 1st of September, the UHC staff should have been confirmed and backdated to 1st of July because the budget was for the whole year. And if that does not happen, we are going to resume our weekly demonstrations until that happens.
Igũrũ woguo, ndeto ya gũcerithĩrio mĩcara maugĩte nĩ icokereirie ihinda rĩrĩ kũrĩ na arigitani matarĩhĩtwo kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 3.
We have experienced perennial salary delays in terms of healthcare workers, where healthcare workers have actually been affected. Right now we are having actually go-slows in the entire republic. And we are saying within 7 days, if we do not have that issue addressed, then we'll have everybody coming out of the street to be able to demonstrate against that.
Makiria moguo ni mokirire kambuni imwe cia insurance ni kiria maugite ni kunyitanira na ceceni imwe cia urigitani ro hamwe na madagitari gutambia ungumania undu uria urakunderia mirutire yao ya wira na gutungatira muingi.
The biggest impediment to universal healthcare in this country are private insurance companies that have decided to get themselves into cocoon and dictate to the patients which hospitals to visit. They dictate to patients which doctors to see. They dictate to patients which lab tests to have, and they dictate to patients which drugs to be issued. This has become rampant across the country. When you go, and the insurance company have boldened up, whereby they have a bigger interest in profit making than in giving the quality of healthcare to the patient.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Waithĩra Nduati wa Mwangi.